Welcome back, Catskill.
This is Alex
and Ava coming at you with this week's news. We hope you've had a great week.
Now let's get right into it.
Congratulations to the Catskill boys varsity volleyball team who are the 2023 to 2024 regional champs. The Cats defeated Section 3 champion to clinch the regional title for the second year in a row. Way to cap off the fantastic season, Cat.
Westside Cafe is back this spring. The meal for March will be teriyaki stir fry over rice. The meal will include a dessert and water for $10. Please place your orders by Monday, March 4th.
Cultivate Catskill and the Fortnightly Club of Catskill have formed a partnership to build a sprayground splash pad in Elliott Park.
We're here with Michelle Pulver and Terry Weiss from Cultivate Catskill and the Fortnightly Club to talk about the splash pad in Catskill.
So what is Cultivate Catskill?
Well, Cultivate Catskill is a club which was founded about 10 years ago because I saw an email about hanging baskets in your community. And I thought, oh, we can do that. And we have. We have 92 hanging baskets now and 60-something trees, I think, and I don't know how many hanging pots. And we decorate the bridge at the holidays and in the springtime. And we've, many groups have supported us, and Hoka has helped. And we've done plantings at Dutchman's Landing, and we've done new holiday decorations. Our goal is to plant pride in Catskill.
That's wonderful. And what's the Fortnightly Club?
The Fortnightly Club is an organization of 35 women from the town and village of Catskill. We've been in existence for over 85 years. And we are basically an organization that raises funds to go and distribute it to, within our community for, special events. And we help the school out. We do a lot of different financial support for local organizations. And then we have the playgrounds too, which we have taken when we built all the playgrounds at Elliott Park and at Dutchman's Landing, and then up in Jefferson Heights at the Ricky Kramer Field.
Oh, I'll tell you another one that we've done was our idea to have the solstice stroll. So we've had the 3 solstice strolls, and we're planning the 4th.
That's great.
Yeah, well, it's a lot of fun, and everyone, it's worked out well for everyone.
Some of the events I'll say about with what Fortnightly works on also is the Wine, Brew, and Beverage Festival that they have every year. That's coming up in May, but we also do the Festival of Trees, which is a huge, beautiful event that happens every year in November. So you guys have probably attended that, but I don't think you probably went to the Wine, Brew, and Beverage Festival yet.
Who makes up Cultivate Catskill?
Well, we are a group of volunteers. Probably there are 12 of us who regularly attend our meetings and do the organizing and all. And it's anyone in the community who's interested. We have some people who just volunteer. They're not interested in meetings. And then we also have to raise funds for all of these things, and we are always fundraising. And if anyone in the school is interested in helping us weed in the summer, just let us know.
So what is a splash pad?
They're basically a cement foundation with lots of different sprayers on them.
Water features and stuff.
Water features. Do all sorts of different things. And how this came about was that Randy Freed, who was a local fellow, passed away, and he left us Cultivate Catskill $10,000. And we wanted to do something significant with it. So in 2017, we had spoken with Fortnightly about the splash pad idea, and we just never got rolling. But this time we have gotten rolling, and we've been raising funds.
We created our own little organization, and it's called the Catskill Sprayground Committee. And there's basically 5 of us. There is 5 of us, no basic about it. That's been doing everything from the conception of it to raising all the funding, to get it out to the public, to letting people know what's going on, picking out locations. But we've been working very closely with the Village of Catskill too. And there's a spot in Elliott Park that we know where it's going to be placed. And we plan on having, we have a majority of the funds done locally. Thankfully for a lot of our local businesses, our county legislators, Forland,
the town of Catskill.
The town of Catskill, the Bank of Green. Yes, Heart of Catskill. Very, very great contributor. The Bank of Greene County has been another significant sponsor. Stewart's, yep. But anyway, so we've been spearheading all of that, raising all the funds for it, and hopefully it will be up and running by this summer. Well, it should be.
Should be. And the village will own it, as Terry said. It will be at Elliott Park.
Why does Catskill need a splash pad?
Well, we don't have one, and there's no public pool. So think about it, when during the summer when it's 100 degrees, now you have some place to go and cool off, and it's open to everybody. And there's no need for a lifeguard, and it will be handicap accessible, and people of all ages can go and they can cool off.
And I think it can also act as a cooling station if we had excessive heat for a period of time.
Yep.
So how is Cultivate Catskill going to get the money for the splash pad?
Well, mainly for wandering around with our hands out and contacting local businesses and individuals. And we've also been granted a grant from Senator Hinchy's office if we can complete all the tasks involved in applying for the grant. So that will be a great help. Right now we're in pretty good shape money-wise in terms of course, everything increased in value since we began, but we've got it covered, and we should be ready to go this summer.
We've been very lucky to have businesses and organizations, they were very generous to this, because we know that it's something that's going to enhance the community.
And the community center also has given us money.
Yep. Yeah, we haven't even begun to name all the sponsors, but we will be recognizing them right there at the splash pad also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Please consider making a tax-deductible donation to go toward the fundraising goal of the splash pad. Make your donation to Cultivate Catskill and put spray ground in the memo. You can also go to the website to donate directly.
This just in, class 2027 on Sunday, Nickel Social has been postponed. Again, Nickel Social postponed.
On April 11th, the NHS will host the blood drive. Students and the community are encouraged to sign up and donate to save a life.
Catskill High School will host their annual job fair this coming Wednesday, periods 5 and 6 in the library. Local businesses, trades, and community partners will provide information on the job and career opportunities after high school. This is an important event to attend and to learn about opportunities for your job and career.
FCCLA Club is using their talents to work with community partners to support the women's shelter.
Hi, my name is Madison Brunig.
And my name is Leah Mariani.
And we're Catskill FCCLA officers. Recently, we were looking for a community service project to do that would make an impact on our community.
And we decided on the domestic violence shelter here in Greene County. To do so, we donated pillowcases that were made by Mrs. Marino's fashion classes, pillows that were bought with FCCLA funds, and socks that were donated and or sold from our previous project.
We then presented them to the domestic violence women's representatives.
These will go to those who are seeking a safe haven from a domestic violence situation. So we give them everything that they need to help them move forward. Victims will come in and they'll think they have no one with them, and something as little as this is going to show that they're not alone, and that's super important. It helps build a united front with victims, because a lot of times domestic violence victims don't get to be heard and don't know what it feels like being alone. So then they're alone, and then they see these things, and it really shows that people are there for them, to help them.
It's really important for FCCLA to try to make an impact on our community.
So these pillows will absolutely go to those victims who are seeking help. So your guys' contributions are really helpful, because you're helping people who not many think, oh, a pillowcase. No, to them they have nothing, and they come in with nothing on their backs. So this is something that they get to call their own. So thank you.
Yes.
Having students develop the community connections and skills that they've used in the classroom is very important to us.
We are thankful to have had the opportunity to work with a domestic violence shelter, and we hope to continue this relationship for in the future.
The Carpenters Union Training Center will host an open house on April 9th, 10th, and 11th this year. There will be some apprentice training and hands-on activities for the visiting schools. See what careers are available for students in the construction trades and give them a look at a career they may not have considered. Through their 4-year apprenticeship, members have the ability to earn a salary while they learn and get a debt-free education that leads to a rewarding career. Please register. Time slots are first come, first serve.
Let's go over to Scott and Aubrey with the Lunchtime Trivia.
Hey Scott.
Hey Aubrey.
What's the question this week?
The question this week is, when was February 14th first declared to be Valentine's Day? Who am I here with?
Christina.
What grade are you in?
9.
And when do you think Valentine's Day, what year, do you think it was declared to be a holiday?
Like in the 1800s, I guess?
1537.
The National Honor Society is hosting a food drive to support the community fridge program. Canned items will be collected at the high school main entrance.
A group of Catskill High School students had a unique and rewarding opportunity to learn some moves with the It's Showtime NYC freestyle dance group at the Bridge Street Theater. Special thanks to Bridge Street Theater for offering its students a special opportunity.
Now for the quote of the week.
Last week's quote was,
Keep your friends close but your enemies closer.
and it's from The Godfather 2. This week's quote is,
Focus, speed, I am speed. That's all for now, Catskill.
I'm Alex.
And Ava. Thanks for watching Catskill and Catswill. Wait, I did it.
You did it.
This is so great.
Okay.